Holly, the reality is that getting a death verdict is going to be difficult given the mental history of the defendant, is it not?
I think so, but until this country has a consensus on abolishing the death penalty, this is a case that qualifies for it. And so I think it's going to be very difficult actually to not put the death penalty on the table in this case. And of course, it all will come down to the state attorney, as we just heard. But I think that if we're talking about the world's worst, school shooting, and Columbine was the last, I think, if I'm correct on my numbers, this, is far deadlier than Columbine was over 20 years ago. And so I would be very surprised if they didn't try it as a death penalty case, because we just don't have a consensus in this country yet on what to do with the death penalty. And I liked Ken's idea about studying Mr. Cruz and finding out ways that we can move this towards a prevention program. And I think that's fascinating. I think that's noble. But I don't think we have a consensus yet. And when there's no consensus, if there's ever a case for a death penalty, this would be it. Again, I'm cold-blooded, so that's my take.
Yes, you are the Grinch. Ken, it's good point.